Everything. Can you read it again?
Okay, read it. So first item. Ask for Abramovich for a boat. Alec.
Okay.
If,
I can try.
if you have no success in 1 year, then build a boat.
Okay.
That's Alec, Gaston, and Boba. And I will be cooking while you're building.
For us.
Buy some fishing line for fishing.
You can do that?
This I can do.
Buy or build?
Buy.
Buy.
Buy. Build a little.
With your $5,000.
My $1,000.
Okay, $1,000.
Don't worry, I know good places.
Okay, you can try it.
Yes.
Buy rum and vodka. That's our. I'll buy the rum. You buy the vodka.
Everywhere.
Buy solar and or build solar and wind electricity. That's Vladimir responsibility. One of us has to become a doctor.
Yes.
I don't know.
But do you don't want
Yeah,
him
Vladimir.
to
Okay, Vladimir becomes a doctor.
And you can try too?
Can you
I thought he
excuse
was-
me, can you sign there? Can you sign, please?
Can you
Yes.
sign it? Okay.
Yes, yeah, please here.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
That's not. What else?
Alex has to speak to Armani for clothes sponsorship.
Okay.
As I said, buy a desalinizer. That's my job.
Mm.
Or build one if you can't. That would be Vladimir.
First, I think first we need to find the right word for
Yeah.
that.
Okay.
what?
I made a small item. Okay.
We need to find how
The
it
correct
calls really.
The correct word for desalination.
Yes, you just need to go to Wikipedia, maybe.
Okay, I'll do that also. I had an item here that says no guns on the boat.
That's mine. Peace and love.
No guns on the boat.
That's mine. You want
You want a gun? Yeah,
Marishnikov?
Russians, of course, they want a gun on the boat.
Always Russian wants guns. You know, and I bought for peace and love, you know?
Yes.
Find a captain.
Find the captain. Okay. Or choose.
Find a captain, you know?
Or choose. Or
Choose
choose.
a captain. Both for a captain. But that would be like...
Maybe later.
Yeah.
Maybe later?
Later.
Yes.
That's it.
That's all?
Yeah.